Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show 2 ways to use a free VPN on an iPhone. The first way is to download the free VPN application. Launch the App Store and type VPN in the search bar. You will see multiple applications are available for download. Also, there are apps within app purchases available. Check out the pinned comment and video description for the best free VPN apps. So, find the free app and tap to download it on your iPhone. Then wait until the download process completes. Now, open the VPN app after successful installation. The privacy page will pop up. Select the Accept and Continue button. Then tap on Continue button to use the app. Then your device will show a pop-up to track your activity. Select Ask App Not to Track option. If it shows an app purchases, select Proceed with Apps with Ads. Now just tap on the Connect button. Then select the Allow option if you get the VPN configuration pop-up. Then enter the iPhone passcode to add VPN configuration. The free app may show ads. Tap on Skip Ads. Then press the back icon. Once your iPhone gets connected to the VPN network, it will show a little VPN icon. Swipe down, open the Control Center, and check if the VPN icon appears at the status bar. It indicates that you are connected to a VPN. So this is how to use a free VPN on an iPhone for browsing. You can enable or disable VPN from the Settings app. For that, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap the toggle beside VPN to turn a VPN connection on or off. At any point, if you want to delete the VPN or go out of it, then go back into the VPN application, tap the Disconnect button, and tap OK to disconnect the connected VPN network. Once you disconnect the VPN icon will not appear at the status bar of your iPhone. If you want to use the VPN manually, follow the second way. So, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, swipe down and select General. The VPN settings might be located in different places within the settings. On the General Settings page, swipe down, find VPN and Device Management, and tap on it. Now what you can do here is sign into a different VPN or select VPN and add a VPN configuration only if you have the required data. If not, then skip this way. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.